Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impression video. If you're new to this channel, I usually get watches, unbox them, and give my first impression. Sometimes I do helpful tips videos. Always suggestions are welcome, so if you have suggestions for new videos or new ideas, please do leave them in the comment section. So, coming to the unboxing of today, it's another unboxing through the way of Prime Try Before You Buy, which is a program that you buy watches and you don't pay for them until you try them for 1 week. Basically, I ordered four watches actually. One came with an empty box, but we'll discuss this later in the comparison videos. But today's unboxing will be the Citizen Eco-drive CA4420-21X. So here we have this Flieger watch. It looks like a Flieger Chronograph Eco-drive with a green dial. So basically it looks really nice. It has two sub-dials with a chronograph. Here's the chronograph. You can see it running. This much is of the crystal. It has a mineral crystal, and I think it's 42 millimeters. Let me check again. It is 42 millimeters. Diameter lug to lug is 50 millimeters, and thickness is 12 millimeters. It has the Eco-drive caliber B620 inside, where you have 6 months of power on light. I think 90 minutes of light or something, like 10. I don't remember the calculations, but if you wear it outside for a couple of hours, you will have battery for the next 6 months. Basically, that's it. You can see the second hand looks really nice. The stops, restarts. The start button doesn't have when you start you have a haptic feedback, but when you stop you don't have any haptic feedback. I don't like that. I really like that they have two big sub dials for the you have the minutes, you have the 24-hour indicator. So if we take the crown out and we move it around, that means we are 12 o'clock at night. And then when we move it back, basically to now it's 12:34. So if we go at 12:34, here we go. It does look quite nice. I didn't expect the green color to be really nice. The case is quite cool. It has like two finishes. It has a circular brush. Sorry about that. As you can see on the side, you have a horizontal brush, and you have here polished on the side of the bezel, and then you have a circular brush on the bezel, and you have it's not a fumé green, but you have, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is two colors of green. There is an inside ring which has a lighter green color and an outside ring that has a darker green color. That might be due to the fact that this outer ring is the Eco-drive system where it collects the sunlight. On the back, of course, we have 10 bar because it's 100-meter water resistant. We have the name of the movement, Japan movement, the name of the reference, and the type of steel. The strap is quite nice. It's a thick strap. It's like a 4 millimeter strap with a buckle. I think it's a 22 millimeter lug. It's actually 21. Yeah, Citizen and Orient love these 21. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and it actually goes quite well with my as you can see, 16.7 something inches from the side. It tugs, and the strap feels quite nice. It does feel quite nice. I might even take it out of this just to compare it. Have here the pushers on the side, the strap. I think the price was 150 euros, around that area. In total, it's 86 grams. It does look good, and actually on wrist size like mine, it actually looks quite good. Definitely a cool watch. I'm trying to get a Citizen, to be honest, into my collection on an Eco-drive, and I'm thinking about either something like this or the Eco-drive ProMaster Diver. So tell me what you think in the comment section. So that's basically it for this video. I really like the watch. I will keep my verdict to the comparison video. As the comparison video, I will compare 3 different quartz chronographs, so we'd have more options to choose from, and to see if we will keep one of them or we will send them all back. This looks quite nice. I really like the indicator as well, the 24 hours indicator, and yeah, it's a 1 hour chronograph, so you have to know that you have the date also. I didn't even notice the date, to be honest. It's so small, I didn't even notice it. It's between the 4 and 5, if you notice it here. Any changes? Well, yeah, unidirectional. So, anyways, that's about it for the watch. Oh, I like also the tachymeter. That looks really nice. Maybe we'll show you also a lume shot of the watch. We have here only lume pips. So we have lume pips and lume on the hands, which is not quite much. I thought there would be also lume on the indices, on the numbers, but there are no lumes on the numbers. So for me, the date and the two big subdials with the smaller subdial, I don't know, it doesn't look quite nice to me. But anyways, leave your opinion in the comment section. It does really help, and always good to have conversation with watch enthusiasts. So if you like this kind of content, invitation to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.